Sushi looks good. I'm
What?
fooling with you, buddy. Fooling. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Is it on?
Not yet.
I mean, is it on his head or? Oh no, it's not.
yet. No. We were just checking the inside.
Makes us just see
And
how
we
it
won't have
looks.
the microphone on right away, so he won't. Daddy, hi.
What?
I know. Oh, that's right on there. I know.
Oh.
Put it on. Good job.
He might be a little aggravated at first.
Oh, yeah. There you go. The idea is that we'll just keep him distracted and playing. If you want to come over here. Hey. Oh, thank you. Oh, there's one more. Oh, Daddy get that one?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yay! Good job, buddy. Put it over here.
I don't think it's gonna take very long for him to talk.
Really well.
Hey, buddy. So get off me. Oh.
Did you get stickers today?
Where's the doggy? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Did you? Okay.
Oh, you like Katie? Your girlfriend? Oh.
He said not anymore.
No lady on the block. Since he wasn't implanted here, we have to create